Okay, so I'm pretty excited. I just got my box from Ridetech. The El Camino's been down, got a blown airbag, and I got some replacement front airbags. They're a little more modern than the ones I have on there. So let's see. Okay, looking nice. Look at this. So new airbags. Oh man, these things are light. Very, very light. So these are 14 inches, I do believe. And that's cool. Got some decals. Got some smaller decals. Excellent. Ridetech. The leaders in air ride technology. I got some extra 1/4 inch tubing. If I'm going to replace the front bags, I'm going to replace the tubing. Look at this. Jody, you threw in a hat. My sales rep was Jody. Excellent guy. Very nice, very helpful. A lot of emails back and forth. Tech questions. He was right on it. Thank you very much for that, Jody. Look at this, a t-shirt, XXX, and a second airbag. Very cool. And I did see another little thing down in here. Looked like a keychain. There it is. Look at this. And a Ridetech keychain. You know, little things are make me excited. So look at that, a beautiful hat. I'll throw that on right now, in fact. T-shirt, keychains, stickers, got the instructions, everything I need to get this beast back on the road. And Jody and I were talking, and I told him about my YouTube video, my page, El Camino Man, and he said that he had watched all my videos, and a couple of the videos were helpful to him in making a decision on how to do a particular thing to his car. So that was really cool to for him to, you know, for us to be able to you know, communicate like that and have something in common after he had been so patient with me. And you know, this company Ridetech is amazing. There's a 1,000,000-mile warranty on these airbags. 1,000,000 miles. 1,000,000 plus 1 mile. So these things will never be outside of warranty. So anyway, I mean, solid built in America, amazing stuff, good people. It's what I want in my car. So thank you, Jody. Thank you, Ridetech. And awesome stuff.